China, a country with a rich history and culture, has emerged as a global economic superpower in recent years. With a population of over 1.4 billion people, China has become the world's second largest economy, and its growth shows no signs of slowing down. In this video, we will explore the factors that have contributed to China's rise as an economic superpower. China's economic growth has been nothing short of remarkable. Over the past few decades, the country has transformed from a largely agrarian society to a manufacturing and technology powerhouse. Its GDP has grown at an average rate of 6.7% per year since 1990, and it is projected to surpass the United States as the world's largest economy by 2030. China's success can be attributed to a number of factors, including its massive population, strategic government policies, and its position as a global manufacturing hub. Let's take a closer look at each of these factors. First, China's government has played a significant role in its economic growth. The government has implemented policies that encourage investment, innovation, and entrepreneurship. It has also invested heavily in infrastructure, such as high-speed trains, airports, and highways, which has helped to connect the country and facilitate trade. Second, China's position as a global manufacturing hub has been a key driver of its economic growth. The country has become a leader in manufacturing, producing everything from electronics to textiles to automobiles. Its low labor costs and efficient supply chains have made it an attractive destination for foreign companies looking to outsource their production. Finally, China's massive population has been a significant factor in its economic growth. With over 1.4 billion people, China has a large and growing consumer market. As more and more Chinese citizens enter the middle class, they are driving demand for goods and services both domestically and internationally. In the next segment, we will explore how China's government policies have helped to fuel its economic growth. China's government has implemented a number of policies that have helped to fuel its economic growth. These policies have focused on encouraging investment, innovation, and entrepreneurship, as well as developing infrastructure and promoting international trade. One of the key policies that has contributed to China's economic success is its open door policy. This policy, which was introduced in the late 1970s, encouraged foreign investment and trade and allowed foreign companies to establish joint ventures with Chinese firms. The government has also implemented policies to encourage innovation and entrepreneurship. For example, it has established special economic zones, such as Shenzhen and Shanghai, which offer tax incentives and other benefits to companies that invest in research and development. In addition, the government has invested heavily in infrastructure, such as high-speed trains, airports, and highways. This has helped to connect the country and facilitate trade, making it easier for companies to transport goods and access markets. Another key policy has been the government's focus on developing the country's domestic market. The government has implemented policies to increase consumer spending, such as reducing taxes on certain goods and services, and increasing social welfare programs. Finally, the government has also promoted international trade through initiatives such as the Belt and Road Initiative. This initiative aims to improve infrastructure and connectivity between China and other countries, and has helped to increase trade and investment between China and its trading partners. In the next segment, we will explore how China's position as a global manufacturing hub has contributed to its economic growth. China's position as a global manufacturing hub has been a key driver of its economic growth. The country has become a leader in manufacturing, producing everything from electronics to textiles to automobiles. Its low labor costs and efficient supply chains have made it an attractive destination for foreign companies looking to outsource their production. China's manufacturing sector has grown rapidly over the past few decades, fueled by a combination of government policies and market forces. The government has implemented policies to encourage investment in manufacturing, such as tax incentives and subsidies for certain industries. At the same time, market forces have also played a role in China's manufacturing success. The country's low labor costs have made it an attractive destination for foreign companies looking to reduce their production costs. In addition, China's efficient supply chains and large consumer market have made it an ideal location for companies looking to expand their global reach. China's manufacturing sector has also benefited from its skilled workforce and advanced technology. The country has invested heavily in education and training, and has developed a strong base of skilled workers in areas such as engineering and technology. In addition, China has made significant investments in advanced manufacturing technologies, such as robotics and automation. This has helped to increase efficiency and productivity in the manufacturing sector, and has made China an even more attractive destination for foreign companies looking to outsource their production. However, China's position as a global manufacturing hub has also faced challenges in recent years. Rising labor costs, environmental concerns, and trade tensions with the United States have all contributed to a slowdown in China's manufacturing sector. In the next segment, we will explore how China's massive population has contributed to its economic growth. China's massive population has been a significant factor in its economic growth. With over 1.4 billion people, China has a large and growing consumer market. As more and more Chinese citizens enter the middle class, they are driving demand for goods and services, both domestically and internationally. China's population has also contributed to its manufacturing success. The country's large labor force has made it an attractive destination for foreign companies looking to outsource their production. In addition, China's domestic market has provided a steady source of demand for manufactured goods. However, China's population has also presented challenges for the country. The government has had to balance the need for economic growth with concerns about overpopulation and resource depletion. In recent years, the government has implemented policies to address these concerns, such as the one-child policy, which was introduced in 1979 and ended in 2015. Despite these challenges, China's population remains a key driver of its economic growth. As more and more Chinese citizens enter the middle class, they are driving demand for a wide range of goods and services, from consumer electronics to luxury goods. In addition, China's population is also driving innovation and entrepreneurship. As more and more Chinese citizens become educated and enter the workforce, they are starting their own businesses and driving innovation in a wide range of industries. In the final segment, we will explore the future of China's economy and its role in the global economy. China's economy has grown rapidly over the past few decades, and its future looks bright. The country's massive population, strategic government policies, and position as a global manufacturing hub have all contributed to its economic success. Looking ahead, China's government has outlined a number of priorities for the country's economic development. These priorities include shifting the economy towards higher value-added industries, such as technology and innovation, and promoting sustainable development. In addition, China is also looking to expand its global reach through initiatives such as the Belt and Road Initiative and the Asian Infrastructure Investment Bank. These initiatives aim to improve infrastructure and connectivity between China and other countries, and have the potential to increase trade and investment between China and its trading partners. However, China's economy also faces a number of challenges. Rising labor costs, environmental concerns, and trade tensions with the United States are all potential threats to China's economic growth. Despite these challenges, China's economy is expected to continue growing in the coming years. Its massive population, strategic government policies, and position as a global manufacturing hub are all factors that will continue to drive its economic success. As China's economy continues to grow, it will play an increasingly important role in the global economy. Its rise as an economic superpower is a testament to the country's resilience, innovation, and determination. Thank you for watching this video on the rise of China as an economic superpower. We hope you have gained a better understanding of the factors that have contributed to China's economic success, and the challenges and opportunities that lie ahead.